Xpeng's next-generation humanoid robot called Iron feels like the moment when science fiction quietly becomes ordinary life. When it walked on stage, the posture and balance looked familiar in a way that caught people off guard. That lifelike motion is not a trick. Iron is built around a spine-like core with bionic muscle groups, layered synthetic skin, and careful human proportions that make presence and interaction feel natural. The hands are the highlight. Each hand carries 22 degrees of freedom, powered by tiny harmonic joints that still fit inside a human-sized palm. Across the body, Iron totals 82 degrees of freedom, which is why it rotates, gestures, and shifts weight the way people do. The intelligence stack is part of XPENG's physical AI program. Vision language task and vision language action models coordinate what Iron sees and hears with how each joint moves, and an in-house compute platform delivers about 2,250 TOPS to fuse sensing, planning, and action in real time. Because the robot is meant to work near people, XPENG chose a solid-state battery architecture aimed at safety and thermal stability. The idea is a simple one: power it safely and let it belong in human spaces. The internet noise came from somewhere else entirely. After the reveal, many viewers insisted the gate looked too human, as if a performer were pretending to be a robot. The next day, Xpeng ended the rumor in the bluntest possible way. With Iron powered on, he cut open the fiber skin on the robot's leg and showed the frame, actuators, and wiring. He also opened panels around the torso to display the structure while Iron stood calmly. A conspiracy theory turned into a defining proof. XPENG's deployment plan puts Iron where people will actually need it. Early roles are human-facing work such as reception, retail assistance, concierge tasks, light security, and guided tours in museums or showrooms. Mass production preparations are planned to begin around April of 2026, with large-scale manufacturing targeted by the end of that year, and an open software development kit will let partners teach Iron new jobs. The competitive echoes were immediate. Elon Musk acknowledged Iron and suggested that Tesla and Chinese companies could lead the humanoid market, while many competitors in the West fall behind, coming from the person behind Optimus. That is both respect and a challenge. If Iron is the opening move, XPENG will compete through lifelike motion, strong safety choices, and a services-first strategy. Beneath the synthetic skin and social-ready face is a straightforward philosophy: build the body well, power it safely, give it practical jobs, and let developers add more. The result is a machine that walks like us, gestures like us, and for a brief moment even fooled some of us.